In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 welding helmet available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Lincoln Viking 3350 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Lincoln Electric's top-of-the-line auto-darkening hood, the Viking 3350 series, is our pick for the best welding helmet overall. These welding helmets, according to Lincoln, are designed to provide a balance of comfort, mobility, and excellent optics. With a 1/1/1/1 optical clarity grade in real-world colors, vision through the lens is as excellent as it gets on these helmets. The visual quality of this helmet, as well as the varied shade levels of 5 to 13, are particularly popular among welders. The design distributes weight evenly across the helmet, improving balance and making it feel lighter. Some users say that the headpiece tightening knob won't remain firm, causing it to slip off when bending over. This auto-darkening helmet comes with a hard hat adapter. At number 4 is the Antra AH6 260 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Antra AH6 260 welding helmet is an entry-level model with some unique characteristics for its class. The shade levels range from 5 to 13. The 17-ounce weight is a positive, but it also means the hood's material is too thin for industrial use. Being knocked around and bashing it against items while wearing it will quickly wear it out. Because of the thin material, overhead welding is not possible in this helmet because molten slag can burn through. It has solar charging for the batteries and can auto-darken and protect with MIG, TIG, plasma, or arc welding. Whether powered on or not, the filter glass is designed to protect against UV and IR. Coworkers have bought these helmets to replace the headgear in their pricey helmets, according to several users. Along with the batteries, the AH6 260 has solar power. Top 3 at our list is the 3M Speedglas 9100 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Reduced green look when viewing your work via the glass is one of the ADF 9121's most outstanding features. Natural hues are supposed to make it simpler to view your work and manage the welding puddle. Although this is a high-end welding helmet aimed towards experts, some welders have complained that the headpiece keeps falling free. The ADF 9100 is powered by lithium batteries and contains a grinding mode button that may be used with gloves. The button lightens the glass and adjusts the shade from 5 to 13, allowing you to focus on other tasks. When you return to work by striking an arc, the glass darkens again. The optics lighten up to shade 3 darkness when you stop welding. The 9121 has 2 preset modes that let you to quickly select from a list of memorized darkness levels. Moving up at number 2 is the Jackson Safety Insight 46131 Welding Helmet. In fabrication shops, Jackson Safety welding helmets are widespread. The inside headgear configuration, which Jackson Safety calls Halix, is legendary. Welders who prefer other manufacturers frequently purchase Jackson headgear to replace what is currently in their helmet. With a weight of 2 pounds, this helmet could be a pain in the neck if you need to weld for long periods of time. Due to a lack of coverage, several welders have reported catching sparks or sunburn above the collar. This helmet may be preferable for smaller welders due to this difficulty and the inability to place a respirator inside this close-fitting helmet. For the price, the Insight 46131 provides excellent optics. The auto-darkening technology on this helmet is regularly praised by owners as the best they've seen. And at number 1 is the ESAB Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. The curved shape is also designed to provide better head coverage. To avoid crashes, the curved lens is designed to provide good peripheral vision. However, numerous owners have reported that close welding can cause the lens to deform. Replacements are expensive for an item that isn't standardized across the industry. Glare and fisheye effects have been reported by some users while using this viewport. The 5-point headpiece is one area where ESAB appears to have hit a home run. Like many hard hats, this one has a basket shape that fits over the top of the head. For challenging welding scenarios such as lying on your side, the 5-point headgear allows you to redistribute the weight of the helmet in different directions. The ESAB A50 isn't only for show. A phone-like color touchscreen for the shade and sensitivity settings is a fantastic high-tech feature. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.